Here's my favorite post-recovery blend, which is banana caramel and chocolate rebuild strength. This chocolate rebuild strength also comes in other flavors. I'm choosing chocolate today. It has 24 grams of protein. It has 3 types of protein blends, glutamine and BCAA. So let me brag, this shake right here won the post-recovery shake 3 years in a row. And I'm adding banana caramel, of course, my favorite flavor. And this is gonna help me stay full. The banana caramel, I'm gonna do 2 scoops because I am gonna treat this like a post-recovery meal to keep me full. As you can tell, that one's almost done. I am going to do 2 scoops of the chocolate rebuild strength. You could choose to just do 1 scoop. I had a really hard workout today, so I'm going to do the 2 scoops of the chocolate rebuild. This shake here does not thicken, okay? So you don't even have to blend it, but I am choosing to blend it today, believe it or not. So what I like to do, because it doesn't thicken very much, I'm going to start the blender, okay? Now, some people will put the ice in it all from the beginning. I'm going to start the blender, and then I'm just going to start adding ice as it's blending, okay? You can add as little bit or as much ice as you want. You can even do this on the rocks, really. You can do it any way you want. Now, like I said, it doesn't thicken very much, so I just going to put it in there. I'm going to just blend it for a little bit. I do like it to not be too thick. I like it to be slushy with a little bit of chunks of ice. So if you don't like the little chunks of ice, just blend it more. I'm going to go ahead and put it here in a cup, and it's going to, as you can notice, it has a very different consistency than the protein drink mix with the Formula One, because like I said, this formula rebuild doesn't even have to be blended. Now I am going to top it off with some cinnamon. This spice, cinnamon helps you with your sugar cravings and things like that. And it also makes it taste a little bit better, and it's going to make it look pretty. So here you go. You have rebuild strength by banana caramel. It's going to help to keep you full for about 3 to 4 hours maximum, depending on your workout, and help you recover. Enjoy.